Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload Bank of America statement to QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll move inside QuickBooks Online and get you to the place where you can bring in your Bank of America transactions, keeping everything neat and ready for review. Interfaces can vary a little depending on your region and user permissions, but the path we're following is consistent across most accounts. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and landing on the home page for the company you want to work with. If you manage multiple companies, double check you're in the correct file before moving on. Being in the right place from the start saves a lot of cleanup later. Next, move your mouse to the accounting menu. Don't click yet, just hover over it. This reveals the areas of QuickBooks where you manage your books, from your chart of accounts to the tools you'll use to review and categorize bank activity. Hovering helps you quickly navigate without jumping to the wrong page. From there, select Bank Transactions. In some versions, you might see this labeled as Banking or Transactions, then Banking. This is the hub for your bank feeds, the place where you link accounts, view incoming transactions, and categorize them to the right accounts on your books. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. QuickBooks is preparing the workspace where bank data will appear. At the top of the banking page, click Link Account. This button starts the secure connection process to bring transactions from your financial institution into QuickBooks. It lives near the top right in most layouts. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this page so the connection window can open smoothly. In the search field that appears, type Bank of America. You'll see matching results populate below as QuickBooks looks up available banking connections. Be sure to choose the standard Bank of America option that matches your account type. Spelling matters here. Typing the full name helps surface the correct result more reliably. When you see Bank of America in the list, click it. This takes you to the secure connection flow where you can authorize QuickBooks to pull transactions. From here, simply follow the on-screen guidance provided. You'll typically be asked to confirm which Bank of America accounts to connect and, in some cases, how far back you want to bring in transactions. Review those details carefully so only the intended accounts are linked. That's it. You've navigated to the right place, started the connection, and selected Bank of America to begin bringing statements into QuickBooks Online, ready for review and categorization.